yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie. So today I'm here with a makeup video. I actually put a poll up on Instagram asking you guys what you guys wanted to see, and you guys want to see this cut crease, and so I'm bringing it to you, okay? It only took one palette. I'm just using the Morphe 35O palette. Of course, you guys know I always use this palette because it's the only palette I have. Well, one of the only palettes that I have. So yeah, I'm excited to bring you guys this look. I know you guys like free stuff, and girl, I like free stuff too. So you know what is free? Subscribing to my channel. That's what is free. Liking this video is free. Turning on that notification bell is free. It costs you nothing, $0. It does not affect your coins. So just go ahead and do me a favor and do that, okay? If you do want to learn how to achieve this look, just keep on watching and I'll teach you how. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and I've primed my eyes with the LA Girl concealer. This is in the color Buff. And I've set it with the Airspun powder and this setting brush from Real Techniques. Now that I've already prepped and primed all that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. It's just a blending brush. And of course, I'm gonna go in with my 35O palette by Morphe. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush and I'm gonna dip into this color here and this color here. And I'm just gonna put that as my transition shade. So you just wanna blend in like circular motions and wiping motions, whatever it's called. Just go from side to side. Now I'm gonna take this smaller brush and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. This is a clean brush that has no product on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the edges. Now that I've put in that transition color, I'm gonna take this blending brush by e.l.f. It's kind of flat and kind of skinny. But yeah, I'm gonna take this brush. And now I'm gonna take this orange color and this orange color, and I'm gonna put those in the crease. Now you wanna be careful with this because they are really pigmented and they are pretty dark. So you wanna start off pretty light and then build up. If you're already experienced and you know how to just like blend out and make it look good, then do you, boo. But people like me who don't do makeup every single day and who don't do eyeshadow every single day, I would say pack it on little by little. So you put that in the crease.
Yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real.
Now to try to like blend out the edges and to also bring back that transition color, because it seems like we lost the transition color, I'm just gonna go back with the two light orange ones and just blend out the edges.
Hey, this cream. I'ma take the team. We gon' be hot.
Now that the crease is blended and everything's looking good, we're gonna go in with the darker color. So this is like a brown, but it has like a red undertone. So we're gonna take that on a little pencil brush. And we're just gonna focus that on the outer V of the eye. Again, this is very pigmented. You might wanna take it easy when putting it on the eye. You don't wanna blend it outward too much, only because we are only using this for depth, to make it look more dimensional, to make it look better, more professional, I guess. So you don't wanna blend it out too much to where the whole eye looks brown. We're just focusing it on the outer V. So it is looking a little harsh. So I'm gonna take the clean brush again and I'm just gonna kind of blend it out. Now that we've blended that out, I'm gonna go back with the transition colors and I'm just gonna blend out the edges.
And then I dash away from Popo. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dodo.
It's time to cut the crease, and as you guys can see, my eyes are super hooded. Like, they're really hooded. So the trick is, when you have a hood, you're actually supposed to apply the concealer with your mirror down here so you can look at your natural crease. So my natural crease is actually up here. And you want to go over your hood, because if you go under your hood, which I made the mistake in a previous video, if you go too low on the eyelid, you can't see the cut crease. So it's kind of pointless in making a cut crease if you can't see it, right? So the trick is, if you have hooded eyes, to go over that hood and to cut your crease higher. I'm gonna take this concealer brush with my LA Girl concealer in the color Buff, like I said. And I'm not putting too much concealer on this at first because I don't want to go too crazy. I'm still not super experienced in this. So I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna take it slow. It's okay to take it slow.
Hey. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real.
Okay, now that I have cut the crease, I'm just gonna blend this little edge out because I don't want it to be too harsh. And now I'm gonna take my little Real Technique setting brush with my Airspun, and I'm just gonna set this cut crease.
Double.
I'm gonna take the pencil brush again, and we're gonna go in with that dark brown that we put in the outer V again. Take the slightest amount, and we're just gonna blend it into the concealer, just so it's not like a harsh line. I'm gonna take a little angled brush, and I'm gonna take these two oranges, so this one here and this one here, put a little bit on that angled brush, and we're gonna go just above where the crease is cut. So we're just gonna right here. And what this does is it just kind of adds more depth, and it kind of defines the crease a little more.
Only catch up in my vision and the south. Now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought. Hey.
Now, I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna mix this color and this color. So that they're just like little metallic shades. I'm gonna mix those two and I'm gonna put it onto the concealer. Now to go onto the under eye, we're gonna take the two lighter oranges again with that blending brush. And we're gonna take this e.l.f. brush. We're gonna take the darker oranges. Now I'm gonna take the darker brown on the pencil brush, and we're just gonna put this color on the outer part. We're not gonna put it under the whole under eye, just the outer part. Now that we're done with the shadow, we're gonna go in with the nude eye pencil. I'm gonna put that in the waterline. I've gone ahead and I put on some liner. I didn't do a wing liner because I didn't want it to take away from the actual look, so I just did like a regular liner, put some lashes on. These are actually Ardell lashes, Faux Mink number 857, I think. Yeah, number 857. I really like these lashes. They were $7, so you know, anything to save some coins. And yeah, I just put on some lipstick. You guys know I'm into combos, so you know I had to use this Italia Natural lip liner with the MAC Honey Love. Love this lipstick. This is my go-to. So anyway, MAC Honey Love, and then MAC Like Magic lip gloss. So it has no pigment, it's just literally a lip gloss. This is old though. I don't know if they still have it, but this is my favorite lip at the moment. So here we go. Here's the look. What do you guys think? Are you guys gonna try this out? Let me know. Let me know. It only took one palette to make this look. Okay. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned a little something. I actually wore this look on Thanksgiving, but I had to spice it up a little bit. I intensified it a little bit. So this is not the exact look. It's something similar. Still a cut crease. I still use the like similar colors. I just intensified it, made it a little darker, made it a little more dramatic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.